The Liectroux M70 Pro is an impressively capable LED robot vacuum cleaner and mop combo that delivers strong performance and smart features at a competitive price point. Designed for modern homes with mixed flooring, this model offers a comprehensive cleaning experience that blends powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and hands-free convenience. One of the standout features of the M70 Pro is its 6,500 Pascal strong suction powered by Japanese Burdix tube brushless motor. This high suction level cuts through dust, debris, and pet hair on hard floors and carpets alike. Thanks to automatic carpet boost technology, the robot increases suction when it detects carpeted areas, ensuring deeper clean results without manual adjustments. Navigation is another strength. The onboard LED's LiDAR system rapidly scans rooms in 360 degrees, generating accurate maps for efficient route planning. You can save multiple floor maps, set virtual no-go zones, and customize cleaning routines via the Smart Life Toy app. The robot avoids obstacles well and returns to its base to recharge and resume cleaning if the battery runs low before a session is complete, which is great for larger homes. Battery life is generous, with up to 175 minutes of runtime on a single charge, covering most apartments or houses in a single run. The self-emptying base with a 3L dust bag is a real convenience, greatly reducing maintenance by storing debris for up to 60 days before needing attention. On the downside, while the mop function does a solid job for routine damp cleaning, it's not a replacement for deep manual mopping on tough stains. Overall, the Liectroux M70 Pro is a well-rounded robot vacuum that offers high suction power, smart navigation, and long-lasting convenience. Excellent value for busy households.